there, this is Watch J, and this time we're talking about the Rolex Submariner, nicknamed the Hulk, for its maxi case and green ceramic bezel. The steel watch measures 40 mm in diameter and 12.5 mm in thickness, and as one would expect from a sub, ticks all the boxes of a proper diver. Screw-down crown, 300 meters of water resistance, unidirectional bezel, steel oyster bracelet. The thing literally oozes robustness. The in-house automatic movement has a chronometer level precision of -T+4 seconds a day, and thanks to that trademark green Cerachrome insert contrasting the black dial, it's one of the most chic Rolexes around. Find more on watchj.com.